your girl Anne, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at this wonderful headband wig that was sent over from the team at Julia Hair. So thanks Julia Hair for sponsoring your girl once again. Before we get into it, please do not forget to hit the like button if you like the video or any other content on this channel. If you have been watching a few of my videos and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. I'm sure you're gonna love this channel. What I do here is I review affordable beauty and fashion and lifestyle items for, you know, the girlies who are running a little bit low on the coin. So join the party by hitting the subscribe button before you go on to this video. Alright, so this here is from Julia's Amazon store, and I'm looking at the specs here on my phone. This is their 150% density glueless wavy wig with headband, Brazilian virgin human hair, non-lace front, and I do have this unit in 14 inches. I was a little bit scared at first to get a short hair, but baby girl, I love it. This wig is perfect for you ladies out there who do not want the hassle of laying down laces, dealing with the got to be glued, dealing with any form of adhesion of lace to your forehead or your hairline. If you just want something, you go into the supermarket real quick, you go into the post office, like for me, you just throw it on and you are literally out the door. As the name suggests, it is a headband wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging that it came in. As usual, Julia sends it over in a box, and the hair is just in a clear plastic Ziploc bag, and you also get two headbands. I don't know if it's supposed to be two, but I received two headbands in my package as well. Not sure why I got two of the same headbands, but nonetheless, thank you. So basically the combs in this wig are attached, one at the back, you have one at the crown of your head, and you have two at the side. Not sure if I would ever use the ones at the side, but I have found that the one at the crown comes in very handy to prevent the wig from sliding back. So the gist of the wig, basically, it's really just throw on and go. What I did was I washed my unit, because y'all know I always do that. I went ahead and I washed her just to have the curls popping and to cleanse the hair, of course. So you do that, your curls come out really popping and juicy. This is what it was looking like when I washed it, and I literally rubbed some oil. So you can have like a spray bottle if you don't want to go ahead and like wash your unit like I did. You can have a spray bottle filled with conditioner and water. You just spray her, and you will need an anti-frizz serum, because this is curly hair. I wouldn't suggest putting like grease in it, like, you know, thick oils. I really recommend the Aussie, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, and you just put that over the hair even while it's wet to have the curls looking so juicy and give the hair so much body, even though it really doesn't need more body, because the more you play with this hair, the bigger it's gonna get. Okay, it's gonna get big. So really, this is like the simplest review try on tutorial that I've ever done on this channel. Y'all know I already made my own headband wig in a previous video, but this one coming pre-made. You don't even need a headband, you guys, because the headband that is attached to the wig is so passable. I've worn this out before without actually wearing another headband. I literally just put on the wig, attach my velcros at the back, attach my comb at the back, and I was through the door. Okay, the door. So that's how simple this is. This particular unit that I have here, which is my 14 inches, let's see, this 14 inch is for $73, and you can get an extra 8% off when you apply the Amazon coupon that's currently showing up right here. Not sure how long that promo is gonna last for, but literally you can get this here for like 70 or under $70. You have other options that you can choose. This here, you can get it from 14 inches to all the way to 24 if you want something a little bit longer. Okay, but this is what the 14 inches is looking like. So really there isn't anything else to say other than this is now my favorite wig. Literally, I'm the laziest person ever. You don't even really have to do your edges. I just went ahead and I did a little something. I didn't use any gel. I used my hair moisturizer that I've been rocking with, that I got from Walmart, to kind of sleek down my edges. That may work for some people. Some persons that have a little bit of a unruly hairline, you may need your jam or your gel or whatever, but I really just, I don't want to lose my edges, so I'm trying to stay away from the jams and the gels right now. So this wig is perfect for that easy maintenance. So that's it, you guys. Really and truly, Julia here. Yo, I love her. 10 out of 10. Recommend. And you could probably do other hairstyles with this if you wanted. I did show you guys how you can wear the headbands. You can go ahead and wear it the way I have it on now, or you can wear it like around to kind of hide your ears a little bit if you don't, you know, just a different look. I have seen some girls do the half up half down kind of look. Again, I wasn't really gonna throw that into this video because I really just want to show how you can just throw her on and go. No styling, no sitting down for like hours trying to like finesse it. So that's it, baby girls, baby boys. So if you like this wig and you want to go ahead and get her from Julia's Hair on Amazon, I will go ahead and I will link it in the description bar below. Please thumbs up this video if you like this hair and you think it is really a easy throw on and go unit, as I think it is. Ask me anything you want in the comment section, and until next time, you guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Bye.